Hello everyone, it's Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy, and today I'm going to give you the secret on how to pass the new CDL ELDT regulations. ELDT stands for Entry Level Driver Training. And if you don't know, in 2022, on February 7th, a lot of things have changed in this whole CDL world. So if you're looking to get a CDL license, you have to make sure that you go to a school that really understands what the rules look like, because if you don't, and they're trying to scam you, then everything that you're going to be doing is just going to be for a waste. So back in February 7th of 2022, a few things did change. The main thing that did change was that anybody who wants to get a CDL license has to go to an approved training provider. And that's what we are here at Driving Academy. We're the best driving school in the entire country. We're not the only ones who say it. Many of our successful students agree with us. And we're about to be on a TV show that's going to call us the world's greatest truck driving school. Alright, so it's super, super cool. But that being said, once you pass that first portion, then there's a new course that kind of has to get done. They designed a theory course, it's called an ELDT theory course. And pretty much how that works is you're going to have to make sure that you follow the curriculum that they designed and pass a final test after everything is done with an 80% or higher score. Now this is not a test that you take at a DMV. You have to take this test at your training provider school that you're going to. Now, depending on the company that you are looking into, depends on what that actually looks like. So what we recommend is don't sign up with any of those online companies that will try to charge you $200 or $300 or $400 or $500 just to take this course, because if you're a student with us, we're going to include that with all of our pricing here. So one of the benefits of being a Driving Academy student is that we keep everything one-stop shop. There's a lot of schools that will make you go do that first and then come into the school because they don't have the ability to actually give you that training or to actually take that course for you. But here, we wanted to make sure it's as easy as possible for you to go through that entire process. So if you want the secret to pass this thing, the cool thing that we designed is that we said, okay, what does the federal government want us to teach? So we looked through this curriculum itself, and myself and the team here kind of came up with a course that didn't have all that extra fluff. Because what you're going to see is a lot of these courses that you're going to actually purchase or look at to purchase has a whole bunch of fluff in there, and you're talking about 20 or 40 hours of actual watching videos and going through different practice tests just to take a final test. What we decided to do is squeeze out all the real good content out of that curriculum, make sure we put that in very concise videos. We want to keep it short, 4 to 5 to 6 minutes maximum, and then we just list them out for you. And then at the end we have a quiz that, as long as you watch the videos itself and you took notes, you should be able to pass no problem. Now this is not necessarily an easy thing to do, right? But it's simple. As long as you follow the content that we created, we try to keep it as simple as possible for you. Overall, it takes our students anywhere from 3 to 4 hours to complete this entire process. It makes it as simple and as easy as possible. So if you want the simplest, easiest, and quickest way to pass this ELDT training theory course, then you want to give our team a call at 908-525-3609 or check out our website at cdldrivingacademy.com. Again, that's cdldrivingacademy.com. Thanks, and have a great day. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.